Hi, this time we're going to look at the T and the D sounds. Now these are a pair, of course, and there is a similarity with the TH sound. And as I mentioned before, the Irish tend to use the T, D instead of the TH sound. So if you do that, we will still understand you, but it would be better if you don't. If you use the TH sound properly. Now, the similarity here is that the tongue sits behind the top of the front teeth, just like the OOL sound. Except with the OOL sound, you just keep it going and hold the sound. You could hold it there for a long time. But with the T and the D, you've got to pop it out. So it's a T, T. So as we said with the OOL sound, you've got the teeth here, and then you push your tongue up at the top of your front teeth. So you're pushing your tongue up on the top of your front teeth and pop it out. T, T, T. And you blow air for the T, and you make a sound back here for the D, D. So the tongue is still going to be behind those front teeth, behind the top of your front teeth. So find that position. D, 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 and pop it out. D. So you've got T and D, T and D. Okay, so what were the words that we had? We had 10 and den. 10, den. 10, den. Try that. And we'll be needing to do some practicing, and I will tell you about practicing in another video.